cover Bitcoin here because as you can see, we are at 88.4K, almost back up to 90K. But we got to talk about what's going on now and what might happen soon, and actually what just now happened. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. So like I was mentioning before, guys, we started the recovery here a little bit with Bitcoin. We just now had a temporary relief, right? Temporarily, right? And now it's coming up here to this 90K resistance, give or take, is about 90K. But anyways, we're coming up here to this 90K resistance. If we get rejected here at 90K, that is not going to be a good time. We had a rising wedge right here, which is a bearish pattern. So of course we broke down. Rising wedge, or bear flag, both the same things. But anyways, we had that, and now we pulled back to this support at 85K. But we are trying to actually break above 90K right now. So if we cannot break above 90K, then we could actually end up seeing even further crash downwards here below 85K here. So if we don't break this region up here, we are looking to go below 85K. So that's pretty much what we're looking at. And then after that, we're going to be looking towards right down here around 80K. Since we clearly have some support there, that's where we're going to be looking for next. And remember, it could quite possibly be a double bottom, which is a bullish pattern. But it's like a 50-50 chance at this point. It's like 50-50 because there's a possibility that if it gets rejected here, pulls back, goes below 85, and then gets down to 80, there's a possibility that 80K can be broken as well. So that's something that you should definitely be watching out for. And also keep in mind, even though we just broke down to the downside of this rising wedge, which was a bearish pattern, we still have the possibility to break back above 90K. We're back in the green if we get back above 90K. That's going to be what helps us work our way up to 94K here. So we're going to be in the green if we can actually break past that. And looking at the percent or trend exhaustion here, if we see this thing pulling back again, which it keeps on doing because it hasn't necessarily bottomed out yet, usually from the overbought areas, it pulls all the way down like till it gets completely oversold, right? And we haven't quite done that yet. So there's a possibility that we could have another pullback that brings us down even further. And if that happens, that could be the pullback that brings us down to 70, or brings us down to about 80K, and then down to 74/75K if it continues to break down below there and doesn't end up doing a double bottom situation. So that's just something to keep in mind. Just figured I'd put that out there, and especially because with these daily videos, it helps you get an understanding of the price action and how things are moving. But yeah, I've been saying all along that this is a rising wedge. We're probably going to break down, and we've already done that. Now let's see if we can hold down these prices. And if that doesn't happen, then we continue to pull back. So let's see. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Go ahead and become a member of the channel. It's only $9.99 per month, and I'll do a technical analysis on any stock or crypto of your choice, as long as it's not some type of scam coin or some type of low cap. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. As always, I'll be back with another video.